pretty much everyone in my family speaks Basque. So why they didn't teach me, I don't know, but I'm kind of late to jump on the wagon, but I'm trying.
As a third generation Basque, we've lost it within my family, and so now we're trying, my sisters and I are, and even our mother is trying to learn it, to bring it back.
When I was little, we always spoke Basque in the home, and it was like my first language. But over the years, I forgot a lot of it, and so I wanted to practice more speaking.
Oh, I have sung in the choir for the last 10 years, and I wanted to know what we were singing.
I was at High Aldi last year, and I met a Basque lady, and all I knew was Kaisho. And she said, "Don't you know anything else?" And I said, "No, not really." And she said, "That's sad, didn't you? Did I teach you anything?" And I said, "No." And I said, "You know, I'm going to prove that old lady wrong. I'm going to learn Basque." Tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la la.
I just really feel like the language is one of the true essences of a culture, and in order to really be able to keep that strong connection with your culture, language is huge.
We have to preserve the language. We are Basque, and because we are Basque, we have to learn to speak the language. We have to preserve it.
Once you start learning what the words mean and how old they are and maybe the history behind certain things, you can kind of connect with your culture in a different way.
Even though I was born there, that's all I know. My parents are not from the Basque Country. And when I came here, I realized that I wasted my time in the Basque Country. And I had to do something to fix it. And it's kind of for my identity, just to feel a little bit more complete.
Well, for my classes, we always try to start with some conversation to make sure that we always have time for that, because usually the students' goal is to be able to talk to the relatives. They don't want to learn a lot of grammar, they want to make sure that they can communicate in a normal way.
Just having that practice is so essential. If you want to learn a language, you have to practice. And just having other people that you can talk to, like knowing that you have these classmates, they're doing the same thing. It's huge.
The teacher, she teaches all ages, and so she teaches preschool and everything, and it's good because we're kind of at the learning level of preschool or younger children, so she really knows how to work with us and make things fun and make you want to come to class.
So every time I'm going to say cambio, which is alaqueta, you're going to switch. So you have to pick persona in your taldea, your group, that's going to be modelo.
I believe that everybody should learn the second language just like they learned their first language, because that's the only way it's going to stick on their minds.
Is Pinac? Oh my God. I mean, this is the first time I've ever took a language class. So it's all new to me, but everybody is going in with the same as you're going in for. They're going in, they want to learn this new language, but at the same time, they don't have a clue.
It's a mix of people, and the other people in the class are very supportive, and they'll help you when you stumble on something, and they're very encouraging for you not to drop out.
It's good because there's no pressure of a grade. So we're here because we want to be here, and it's a matter of how much effort you put into it. So it's kind of fun to enjoy learning a language that we all have, special, cariño for, and so we learn together.
It feels a little bit like an extended family to me already, so what the hell, might as well go for it.
indio jarraina, banaiz ni kantuan, arratoia bezala beti izkutuan. Indio jarraina, banaiz ni kantuan, arratoia bezala beti izkutuan. Nireak oreak, lanak besteenak, sei hizkuntza dakizkit, erdipurdi den.
My dad, being Basque, he knows the language, but he just never spoke it. And so now that I'm learning it, he's so proud. Every time I learn a new word, he smiles even bigger, and we can actually start talking a little bit back and forth, and I'm just growing more and more to being Basque.
It feels great for me, and they're super excited too. They're really, really excited, and it makes my grandparents especially really proud. Really proud.
You know, we may not be perfect, and I don't speak perfectly, but I speak better now than I did 3 years ago. And anything you can learn, I think, is just a bonus.
Make the time. I mean, it's better than what, sitting in the house, watching TV of reruns that you've seen 10 times. Come down and try the classes, and oh my God, your life will be transformed. If nothing else, if you don't learn the language, you're going to meet new friends.
Do it. You can do it. I would say it's hard, it takes work, but you can do it.
La 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 la